So Method 7 makes us a better grower because we'll be safer. I was an idiot when I was younger and did not take care of my eyes, and have some issues with my eyes because I wasn't using things like this before. So protect yourself. The shit is real. Method 7 is the shit. Love it.
Dude, my name's Derek, dude. We're out of Southern Oklahoma. We run Texoma Tumbleweed. We have like a 14,000 square foot facility, all full spectrum LEDs. We run next light in the facilities. I love these glasses, man. It allows you to really see everything through the facility, man. Keeps those eyes protected. Keeps you from seeing spots when you walk out. No green dots, man, and everything's just like real-time color.
Oh yeah.
Hey, my name is Ricky. I'm with Great Bear Farms out of Bombay, New York. These are Method 7 glasses. For the first 4 years that I grew, because I've been growing for 10 years, I lost a lot of vision, and it's cost me a lot of money. Now that I've been using these, my vision's been staying the same, and they've really helped me from being able to see well.
Nice.
Yo, what's up? My name's Dave from Steamboat, Colorado, Billow Dispensaries. We run a vertically integrated grow to retail. Method 7s have helped me and my team out a ton. Being in those rooms for 6 to 8 hours out of a day, it saves your eyes, keeps us from getting headaches. You know, after 5 years in the grow industry under HBS and LED, it can really get to you. So Method 7s have been our savior in that aspect. And I swear by these things.
Oh yeah.